rolling riches bonus. And don't forget, it's on a max bet. Look at these Anvils. Ooh, they're ready for the pickings. Got the green helmets twice on $2. I really don't even film too much anymore. I just play. And sometimes when I get something good, I'll start the camera, but it's just not the same anymore. Appreciate everybody that watches and likes and comments and subscribes. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I wouldn't make these videos if you just didn't. There we go, double piece, baby. Ooh, $38 one. Let's go. Might get one more. I think we'll definitely get one more. For sure. Played these enough to know. Maybe not. Patterns are so different now, you just never know. Well, that's a good round there for sure. I don't want to sink all my winnings into getting them Anvils because now I already got more than what those were. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next video.